Mates for ages. Good morning. Right, I'm on my way to see my mate, another locksmith over in Hemel. I was locked to shout out to you. Yeah, if you want a locksmith over in Hemel Hempstead, he's your man. Anyway, I'm meeting up with him. Go Jeff first, actually, to sort out aluminium door. Obviously these things to be quite heavy. It's really a two-man job. So it's nice that he's reached out to me to work with him on this one. Yesterday it was so windy, I was getting a bit worried about what it was going to be like today. But it seems quite calm, but you never know, it might get a bit more windy. There's a lot of puddles everywhere, that's for sure. Yeah, so it'd be a good one. So I've got this job to do, and I've got another job later on to do. Fitting 5 Ultian cylinders. I've got to fit a sash on. Anyway, catch you guys in a bit. See ya, bye. Can you believe it? A1's closed. Traffic's mayhem. Murder. Yeah, so I thought I might as well do a little reflection video of being a locksmith. Number one, being a locksmith, as we all know, can be quite lonely because it's like being no mates. Yeah, you're out on the road on your own, doing your jobs bit by bit by bit. If you're setting up, it'd be a good idea to get yourself like a little network. Contact some other locksmith area. I mean, don't get me wrong, you're going to get some arseholes in there who are going to be like, yeah, piss off. They're not going to be interested in helping you out or do anything with you. They're going to look at you as a threat, not as an asset. I've got some guys in my area that we do, but basically we do work together. I mean, I'll go out to Hemel, to meet another locksmith now. We collab, we do stuff together. It's good business, and it helps you out if you're a little bit quiet like me. So yeah, it's all good. So yeah, the other thing is, have yourself like a little nest egg of money for when there's problems, because I had problems. Obviously my little nest egg got absolutely destroyed when I had my mountain bike accident when I was off work for 6 months. That wasn't good. It was very painful on the pocket. So yeah, it's like starting out again, basically. So it's not been nice. Anyway, so I had a van, Ford Transit L2H2, nicely kitted out and everything. It's 2008. Somehow it is ULEZ compliant. Yeah, don't know how, but it was. Obviously, it had the conversion we have done it before I got it. Anyway, I would have kept it if I got a water leak and an oil leak, and honestly I spent thousands trying to get it fixed, and whenever it was done, it wasn't done. It's the problem is, like, they change one bit, no it's not that, change other bits, no it's not that, and it's how far do you go? How far do you go until you throw the towel in and say, enough is enough? So yeah, I threw the towel in and bit the bullet and got a loan. So now that loan's cost me £400 a month over 5 years. Ouch. But the great thing is I managed to transfer the gear from the old van to this van. I've got a Citroen Relay now, L2H2. Love the van, great, it's fantastic. It's much cheaper than Ford's. Anyway, just before Christmas, I haven't even had it a full year yet. Just before Christmas, I broke down Apex Corner. So I managed to get it into a petrol station. Don't know how I did it because it was bad. got to this petrol station. I was worried because the noises coming out of the engine was not good. Got to this petrol station. Anyway, found out the AA said, listen, because I've got it with my insurance, as you do. Found the AA said, broken down, da-da-da. They said, okay, no problem. Then you could hear them tapping on little keyboards, and all of a sudden it's like, oh, sorry, mate, you got no MOT. I was like, oh, thanks for letting us know. I'll get it sorted. Yeah, but unfortunately we can't collect you. We can't, take you back. I was like, what do you mean? This is our company policy. I was like, yeah, but it's a me problem. It's not a you problem. I said, on a private forecourt, you're going to bring a lorry, a flatbed down, going to put me on the back of a flatbed, and then take me back to Wintergarden City. Oh no, sorry, it's our company policy. We can't do it. I was like, oh, okay. No point in arguing with them because you're not going to achieve anything. Yeah, but yeah, I'll speak nails, to say the least. So anyway, phoned up a few mates, mechanics that I know, and they give me a few numbers. Phoned around them, one gave it to another because it's in the I'm broken down in the ULEZ area. It's like, because I'm out a bit further out, a lot of people in the area we're not ULEZ compliant, and it costs like a fortune for them to drive in. So anyway, I managed to find someone, which is very reasonable, 150 quid, but it's a very reasonable, I could still do without spending, because it's a lot of money. So anyway, they got me back. While he was on the way to me, I thought, you know what, I'm going to phone a load of garages to see where I can get towed to. Towed, carried, whatever you call it. Get taken to a garage. So I found out all the garages. Well, because just before Christmas, nobody wants a non-runner, because that's what it's classed as, because it just it'll die. So I oh God, this is so bad. So I got the I found all the garages. Yeah, nobody's like no, and then so I got it towed back to mine. But one of the garages, Matt, great guy, and he said to me, listen mate, I can't see it, because his workshop's not big enough. He said, but I can get a mobile, I can give you a number of a mobile locksmith, a guy called Vad. And so I was like, oh okay, I've never used a mobile locksmith. What was that? Mobile locksmith, mobile mechanic. God blimey, this traffic's doing my head in. Yeah, mobile mechanic. So I phoned him up. He's like, listen, we need to get the part in, and all this stuff. I was like, okay. Anyway, my van was off the road for 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Potentially a busy time of year. Not good. So yeah, I lost out financially that one. Anyway. Oh yeah, and the guy who come and picked me up, he gave me squeaky bum. When he's picking up, he started the engine to have a look. He's like, oh mate, you're going to need your engine. That's not running, it sounds proper gone. And of course I'm panicking. I'm thinking that's going to cost me thousands and thousands, and I just don't have the money for it. That's when you think, what am I going to do? I've already got a loan. How are you going to get the extra funds? I was like, okay. Anyway, took it home, and this Matt did come out, even though he couldn't do the job. He still came out. He plugged in his diagnostic thing. He said it's the AGR valve. Potentially it's the AGR valve. I was like, yeah, whatever that. I don't even know what that is. So, but now I know everything about it. Anyway, so the mobile mechanic guy came round, and he actually took some bits out, plugged in the diagnostics, checked the valve, and yeah, he confirmed it's the AGR valve. So anyway, he got it done. About £700 later, which was actually a good price when you see how some of them are. So yeah, he got that done. It was all good. But the point being, the van was off the road for 3 weeks, and it's cost me what, £850. I mean, don't get me wrong, some guys have had it worse. Shane from Hell's Locks, well, his wet belt went on his Ford Transit Custom, and wow, that's cost a fortune, and his vehicle's been off the road for God knows how long. You know, it's unbelievable. So yeah, just if you set up a locksmith thing, you know, or any self-employed business, you know, have a backup, because it can get really expensive. It's ridiculous. So yeah, but now the van's fixed, touch wood, it's going to be really fine. Oh, then I did have that blue thing come up, so I went to sort of that, and plugged it in and did whatever they do, the diagnostics, reset the stuff, so yeah, blue seems to be fine now. And no, I didn't get it mapped out, because apparently on this van you cannot get it mapped out. And there's 3 different ECUs for this model of van, and I have the one that cannot be mapped. So me. Anyway, so yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you in a bit when I get to the job. Once I get through all this traffic. I don't know how long it's going to take me, but yeah, it is bad. So yeah, catch you guys later. Right, here's the door with those logs. So this is the problem we got. Push the button, and then yeah, great, isn't it? Don't know what that is. Could be like salt or something like that. But yeah, don't shut. Load of rubbish. It's really bad. See the corrosion on the bottom plate, so it is probably salt that's causing that. And then, yeah, it's hard to open. Let's get it sorted. Ba-doom. I'll take one screw out already, but look, it's only just holding on there. We've got some weirdo as well. But yeah, it's only just holding on there. So we've got to lift the door up. Only just catching on there. Only just doing it. So we'll sort that out. Pivot is absolutely knackered. I'm just going to have to put a new one in. Look at that. Oh. Door done. Nice and smooth. Smooth operator. There we go. Lovely. Nice and smooth, not rubbing on the bottom. Let's give one more. We did just to there. Some people cut out. They don't open the door all the way. Perfect. Lovely. Happy days. Hello. Oh, this is the next day. What is it? With winter and darkness in the mornings. Ah, ridiculous. Anyway, today I'm on my way up to Cambridge. Subcontracted today for another locksmith company. I've got a few electric leases to fit. Hence the early start to get up there and get it done. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get any footage there though. Might get some pics, but I'm not sure if I can get any footage. Yeah. So it's just ruddy cold and dark. Oh, it's amazing amount of traffic's on the road. I thought it would have been a bit clearer. Never mind. Yeah, so anyway, this is me on my way to Cambridge. Excuse me. Right. Catch you all later. Morning, no ready start. I'm way back up to Peterborough again to finish the job off. I think some electric pieces, or days. So I went out, went to screw fix, just picked up some caulking just to go around the edges, make it look nice, because it's obviously, as I said, it's old leases with new leases, and the door's pretty mashed up as well. Yeah. Alright, anyway, catch you later. Right, so this is a new mech put in the door. Unfortunately, the maintenance company didn't use the right cylinders, but they said put this old cylinder back in, so that's all I can do. All the job done. Door shuts nicely. Lovely chubbly, all locked up. That's the old lock there. But the only reason why this happened is because they tried to drill the lock open. Look what they've done. Yeah, they tried to drill it. All it was is the customer didn't have it, the landlord didn't have a key for it, and he wanted it opened up. And they drilled it. And as they drilled it, because they've gone so high, they've gone through the talon of the mech. That's why I had to put a new mech in it. But yeah, otherwise all done. Happy days. On to the next one. Alright, just got in the back in the van for that job. So yeah, landlords and management companies should learn a valuable lesson for this. Don't let maintenance companies do your locksmith work unless maintenance company has a in-house locksmith. Otherwise, get a locksmith to do it, because it's going to cost you a lot more. Good morning. Right, I've got nothing in today, so on my little Facebook group, I'll put down that Milwaukee bus is in Harlow, which isn't too far, it's only about 20 minutes away. So I've got a post up there, I'm looking up there. So hopefully a few locksmiths are going to meet up, maybe go for a coffee after, because I want to get a new tool bag with Miles Eye. I like my one, but it's probably one of these bags where you can put so much in it, and now it weighs an absolute ton, and I just don't want that temptation of leaving stuff in it. So I'm going to have a look at their tote bags and see what I can see. And yeah, nice little. It's only about half-hour drive, 25 minutes over to Harlow, and then check out their bags. So yeah, catch you all later.